Hello guys, I am Mahmoud Yusuf from Autism Has Art. I'm going to show you today best 8 sites to download free textures, maps, 3D modules, HDRIs and even brushes. Please note this list is not in any particular order, it's just based on my personal use and my opinion. Some of them is free and some of them has a paid version and a free version, but really it's a big library, so I think it will cover your needs and satisfy you. I hope you enjoy this video. Let's start with our first site. Our first site is TakeChartNinja. This site has over 5100 something textures and it's a huge library, but the issue of this site till now I didn't find any map on it. It's just textures as a picture, so it's something like JPG or JPEG. So but it's completely free, but I didn't find any map till now, but I didn't check everything for sure. So you can go and check it, the leaves, signs, doors, dirt. It has a lot of categories and it has a lot, really a lot of textures there. It's a huge library. Next on the list is 3dexport.com. This site has 3D modules, 3D printer modules, textures, maps, tutorials. Some of them is paid and some of them is free, but it has good versions of free, so make sure to check free product only when you filter your search. If we press here, for instance, this one is $5. If you wanted to buy it, but you can also check the free ones, but not too many free on this site, but it's nice to have in your list or in your bookmark. Some useful materials there and textures. It also has free 3D modules, not very high realistic, but it's okay for games. It has also, like I said, free and paid, so make sure to check the free. For instance, this hammer, I think it's nice for game, for instance, or even for videos. And you can also download it in Blender, Cinema 4D, FBX, Max, Maya, Object, or even PNG. Next on the list is deviantart.com. This is a very big site. You can spend hours there. It's a huge library. You can find maps, art, drawings, materials, whatever you looking for, you will find there. It has also a lot of categories, even tutorials. You can go and check it. And the nice thing about this site is every day there is a new thing. Every day there is an update. Many people published, so every day you will find something new. And whenever you download something, you find a lot of maps there, a lot of like opacity, normal. If we download this one, for instance, and we extract it, like in instance here, see how many textures we have, how many map we have. Next on the list is blenderkit.com. Blenderkit.com has its own API, so you can install it as an add-on. It has also more than 900 free models, brush materials, and it's really nice. If you check it, the brushes there is very nice, save you a lot of time, really useful. If you check also the materials, is very high quality, and there is a lot of free. And check the brushes here, autonomy for instance, it's very nice brushes, and it's free also for a lot of here for material for animal, for instance. You can just check any skin you wanna and press on it, download it from online or even the add-on. There is also some free 3D free modules you can download, like the eyeball here. Some free, go and check it. In furniture there is more than 50, I think, of 50. Next on the list is cgbouquets.com. This one is the unique one. if there is a many categories there, and if we also press here, see it has a back and front leaf textures, and it has a lot of maps and also different quality, so you can download it just free and it's working perfect and nice. It also has fabric, many categories, even tiles, maps. Go and check it, it's a nice one. It has also tutorial. Next in the list is cc0textures.com. This one doesn't has much, but it really has some good free textures. I mean doesn't have much on free versions, but it's okay, just go and check it, you can find something unique there. Next on the list is Polygon.com. For sure everyone knows this site. It has a textures, maps, modules, HDRI and brushes, and the unique thing about this site is there is some free and some paid, but it's really very high quality things, and also some unique brushes for fabrics and skins. So go and check it, it's very huge site and very nice material, and if you're looking for high quality material, this site is for you. Next on the list is Textures Heaven. Textures Heaven is my top favorite site. It's completely free, it has textures and HDRIs. The good thing about this site is everything is free and have a really high quality, and all the maps here, as you see, with one click I can download all or download one certain map, and it also has more than 200 HDRIs and all free, many categories. As I said, this site is my favorite. It's the best overall. Everything here is free. Many types, see here in HDRIs, skies indoor, night, sunset, scroll, more and more and more. Browse it, you will not regret it. It's a very nice site. I hope you guys enjoy this video, and I hope it's make sense and make useful for someone there. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching and goodbye.